We all have days where we just want to do nothing and we just feel like we're headed nowhere, and you just want to lie there and you just don't know what else you can even be doing. We have no motivation, we feel so uninspired. This can happen from time to time given the world we live in and given how competitive society is and the obsession that we humans have in the pursuit of, be it happiness, wealth, success, whatever it is that you are aiming towards in life, and stress and wanting to just have lazy days. They're given. We all have them. If you think there's more to your days where you've been feeling unmotivated and uninspired, and you think it's much more than just being lazy or an emotional burnout, then here are 5 signs to help you figure out if you're depressed and not lazy. One main sign is that you have lost interest in everything. Now, it's normal that when you're having a lazy day or you're feeling lazy, that you don't want to finish that essay that you know is due in a couple hours, or you don't want to finish that report for work. However, when you are depressed, you lose interest in things that you would even look forward to doing if you were lazy. If you loved cooking before, now you have no motivation to do so. If you loved making videos, now you just don't want to. If you enjoyed writing, now you just don't want to pick up a pen and paper. What you want to do is just stay home and lie in bed and basically do nothing because you just don't care anymore about anything. Now, another sign is when laziness becomes a problem. Now, of course, we all have days, and we should be having days where we just relax, we do nothing, we focus on just taking a break, taking a nap, just doing something that we enjoy. However, lately you've been noticing that your laziness is getting in the way of everything, be it schoolwork, be it your work, maybe even your personal life. Maybe it's causing problems. It started getting in the way of your everyday tasks and the way you used to live your life. Then it is much more than laziness, because laziness is something that you have from time to time. It's like a break, like a much needed little mini vacation that you squeeze into a day or two. However, if it's becoming more than that and it's just now become something negative, that making it hard for you to function, then it may be more serious than laziness. Another big sign is that your laziness comes with a lot of emotions, a lot of feelings, and these feelings are usually negative. It can be anywhere from feeling sadness to you feeling very lonely. You may be feeling exhausted and low in energy, and yes, that can be when you're feeling lazy, you just feel very tired, but if it's depression, then you also feel like there's a cloud over your head for reasons that you may not even know of. And unfortunately, the worst thing is that no matter what you do, it doesn't get better. For example, you may be taking extra naps thinking, okay, maybe if I just sleep a little bit more, I'll feel better. Okay, maybe if I eat healthier, or, maybe I'm just going to go grab a snack, I'm going to eat more chocolate, I'm going to do some self-care stuff, let me take a bath today, let me do a face mask, let me go grab a coffee with my best friend, or, let me go play soccer. Whatever it may have been in the past that you considered fun, or things that would make you feel better, now they don't. Because when you're battling depression, the worst thing is that the things that you used to love doing, the things that you could spend your entire life doing, that would just make you feel so happy, you don't feel anything anymore from them. One very big and clear sign is that knowing the difference between laziness and depression. Now, as we all know, laziness is something that just kind of you feel here and there. You feel usually when you've been working very hard or you've had very long days. So we go ahead and do things. We take a break to snap ourselves out of that exhaustion. Example, when we think lazy, you usually think couch potato or, just watching TV all day, and that can be your definition of lazy. However, for a lot of people, lazy days can even include just watching videos on how to organize your room better, writing down goals that they have for themselves this weekend, maybe making a little shopping list. We could get some groceries this weekend. While depression is a serious mental illness that needs to be treated with professional help and sometimes even medication. In shorter words, laziness is a choice. A lazy day is a choice. Depression isn't a choice, and it's not something that you can just have one day and not have another day. It's not a switch that you can turn off and on when you want to. Another sign is reasoning. Now, laziness usually evolves when we're procrastinating. Maybe you want to take some more time. You want to watch one more episode before turning in that report for work or school tomorrow. Just getting one more song in before you have to go do the dishes. And sometimes we just feel lazy because maybe we had a bad day, maybe a bad few days, a bad week. Maybe it's just a horrible month. Maybe something happened and now you're dealing with it. Maybe it's grief. You know why you're lazy. You know why you're taking this time to take a break from everything. However, when it comes to depression, psychologists don't have a clear reason for why we develop depression. The only thing that can be said for sure is that it's usually not caused or triggered by one specific thing.